Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Make your copies ready so that we can begin. Everybody write this thing and let me know. All right, those who have joined right now, children, open your copies. Today we are going to do difficult words from chapter 15. Okay? Write today's date, write dictation words and the name of the chapter.
Ma'am, please wait. Ma'am, I have got, we have to do.
We are doing difficult words of chapter 15 today.
Ma'am, we have to do in fair copy.
Yes, beta, you have to do in your fair copy.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, you will speak the dictation words.
Yes, I will speak dictation words. The first word is ready. Everyone.
Ma'am, please wait. No, ma'am, no, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, please wait for 1 minute.
Okay.
Ma'am, it is revision dictation test.
Yes.
Ma'am, after this we will do an activity.
Yes, we'll do activity.
Okay, ma'am. I'm ready. Ma'am, now you can start.
The first word is contiguous. It's contiguous or contiguous. Contiguous. Written?
Yes, ma'am. Oh, ma'am. I'm written. I'm written.
Okay. The second word is Tuong Monastery.
Ma'am, what is the word? One monastery.
The second word is Tuong Monastery.
Ma'am, written.
Written.
Ma'am, please, the first one. Tell
The first word is contiguous. Contiguous. The second word is Tuong Monastery.
Ma'am, I have written. Ma'am, I have written.
Good. The third word is
Ma'am, I have
Namdafa.
written.
Third word
Ma'am, what?
Namdafa. Namdafa. Namdafa.
Ma'am, written. Ma'am, written. Ma'am, written. Ma'am, written. Ma'am,
Written?
written.
Okay. The next word is Mekhla Chadar. Mekhla Chadar.
Ma'am, done. Ma'am, written. Ma'am, written.
The next is Guwahati.
Ma'am, can you repeat the second one, ma'am? Because I was left it from the meeting.
All right.
Ma'am,
I
can
am
you repeat the
okay. Listen.
first one?
Yes, I will repeat from the beginning, children. Contiguous, Tuong Monastery, Namdafa, Mekhla Chadar, and now Guwahati. Written till here, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
After Guwahati, we have Kaziranga.
Ma'am, can you repeat the third one?
Namdafa. Namdafa.
Okay, okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, what is the sixth word?
Kaziranga.
Ma'am, what is the seventh word?
It's Kaziranga.
Ma'am, seventh. Ma'am, written.
And now the next word is rhinoceros. Written rhinoceros?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then after rhinoceros, we have sanctuary.
What, ma'am?
Sanctuary.
Ma'am, century.
Yes, sanctuary.
Ma'am, written.
Written.
Yes, ma'am.
Then we have Assamese. Assamese.
What?
Assamese.
Then what?
Assamese. Language. Which language is spoken in Assam? It's Assamese. Yes. Then the next word is Satriya.
Ma'am, what? Satriya.
Yes. Satriya.
Ma'am, written. Ma'am, written. Ma'am, written.
Ma'am, written.
Then the next word is Myanmar.
I'm written.
Myanmar. Everyone has written?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The next one is Chiro. Chiro.
That's Chiru.
Yes, not Chiru, it's Chiro.
I'm written. I'm written.
Then Azol.
What is the 13th?
Azol.
I'm written. I'm written.
Ma'am written.
Ma'am written.
Okay, Mohsin Ram.
Ma'am written.
Ma'am, what?
Mohsin Ram. Mohsin Ram.
Ma'am written.
And the last word of this chapter is Jayantia. Jayantia.
Ma'am written.
Ma'am, what is the 14th word?
After, tell me after which word?
Ma'am, after Azol.
After Azol, it's Mohsin Ram. Mohsin Ram.
Ma'am.
Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Mohsin Ram, and then the last word Jayantia. Now all of you have written?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Let's check the spellings from the beginning. Everybody,
Ma'am, I have not written. Ma'am, I am
everybody.
on the last word.
Okay, write it down.
Ma'am, you will write the spellings in the chat box.
Yes,
Okay. Ma'am, written.
written. Now, what
Yes,
was the
ma'am.
first word?
Ma'am contiguous.
Ma'am, contiguous.
Ma'am continues.
F is by
CONTIG.
Ma'am, my spelling is correct.
Ma'am, my first word is correct.
Okay,
Ma'am, whose answer is correct?
check from mine.
also correct.
My answer is correct.
Ma'am, this is cheating.
All of you check my answer. Is my answer correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, my answer is
Do I get?
Then
Do
my
I?
answer is correct.
answer is correct.
Do I get 1-on-1?
Yes, no, ma'am.
No.
Ma'am, I got what answer.
Will I get
Ma'am,
1-on-1?
because you are the teacher, and when we are the student.
Now you are the teacher and you have to check whether I'm writing correct spellings or not. Okay. The next word. What is the next word?
And Tawang Monastery.
Ma'am, this Tawang Monastery.
Ma'am, my answer is correct.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, my
it
answer
is E.
is also
Ma'am, it
correct.
is E. Ma'am, by mistake I have written.
And my second word is wrong.
Is
Ma'am,
it correct?
My answer is correct.
Yes, ma'am, your answer is correct.
My answer is
Yes,
correct.
ma'am,
Your answer is correct.
Okay. Tuong Monastery. Then we have Namdafa.
ये भी करेक्ट एक रंग हो गया अरे मतलब वो सब में भेजा था तो मैम का क्या वही आंसर
Who is this? Is it correct?
Yes,
yes
ma'am.
ma'am
Okay. Okay, how many of your spellings are not correct? Till now, how many wrongs? Open your camera.
And there are 3. Ma'am, you said 3. Ma'am, I got 2.
Ma'am,
Which
I
one?
got full.
Which one
Ma'am,
is
my
wrong?
2 spellings are correct.
Okay,
Ma'am,
which-
Ma'am, contiguous.
Ma'am, out of 3, ma'am, I
Ma'am,
got 2.
contiguous.
Ma'am, my all answers are correct.
okay, good.
Ma'am,
The
my
next,
2 spellings are correct.
the next one is, which is the next word?
Ma'am, Meghla Chadar.
Mekhla chadar. Okay. This one? How many wrongs? How many rights?
Ma'am, my answer is correct. Ma'am, my answer is correct. Ma'am, my answer is correct. Ma'am, you have copied my answer, ma'am. See?
I have copied. No, I haven't copied.
Ma'am, you have copied, ma'am. I can see.
No. Just because I have put on my caps lock does not mean I copied yours.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Now
it
the
is
next
looking
one.
same.
Mekhla chadar. After Mekhla chadar, it was Guwahati. Now Utsav, have you copied mine? No. Utsav's answer is wrong. He has not copied mine. Lakshita, yours is also wrong. Now make this correction, both of you.
Ma'am, mine is correct. I have written.
Huh?
Yeah, my one spelling is wrong.
Yes. Now after Guwahati, we had rhinoceros.
Ma'am, Kaziranga. Ma'am,
It was Kaziranga.
Ma'am, Kaziranga.
Okay. Now write Kaziranga.
Ma'am, by mistake, I read the spelling wrong.
Ma'am, you have not tell Kaziranga spelling.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So Kaziranga. Kaziranga. Then after Guwahati, Kaziranga and rhinoceros, we have Assamese.
Assamese.
Ma'am, sanctuary. Ma'am, sanctuary.
Oh, it
Yes,
was
ma'am,
sanctuary.
sanctuary.
I missed sanctuary.
ma'am.
Yes. Sanctuary. Anshuman, your sanctuary is wrong.
Ma'am, my spelling is correct.
Rachit, Rachit, where is your name? You have not typed. Sanctuary. Then after sanctuary, we had Satriya.
Ma'am, I have already given.
Satriya, you have given?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, scroll up.
Yes. Satriya. Then after Satriya, which word we had?
Ma'am, Myanmar. Ma'am, I have already given. Ma'am, scroll up.
Okay, I will copy yours then. Yes? All right. Myanmar. Myanmar. Then after Myanmar, we have
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Shiro.
ma'am, Chiro. Ma'am, Chiro.
Ma'am, Shiro.
Shiro.
Ma'am, I cannot understand anything.
What? Tell Anshuman.
Ma'am, I have given all.
I cannot see your message. Yes, ma'am.
Why you people can't see my messages? I have typed me to everyone.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, I can see.
because all are sending. And we cannot
Ma'am,
because all are sending and I cannot
Okay.
see.
Now nobody will send. Only I will send. Okay? You just tell me which was the next word. Now you dictate and I will write.
Ma'am, as well.
Okay.
Ma'am,
It was azol. Children, you
Ma'am,
make
azol.
mistake. So many students make mistake in these spellings. It's not as val, it's azol.
Okay, ma'am.
Everybody makes it WAL. It's not that. It's azol. Then after azol we had
Ma'am, Mohsin Ram.
Ma'am, Mohsin Ram.
Mohsin Ram. Mohsin Ram. Okay. Then after Mohsin Ram, the last word was Jaintia.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Jaintia. Now, honestly tell me, how many marks, who got how many marks?
Ma'am,
Everybody
I got
put your
40.
cameras on.
Ma'am, I got 13.
Varun got 13.
I got
Jayesh, how
14.
many did you get?
I'm full.
Very nice. Rachit, what about you?
I got 9.
9 out of
9 marks
okay.
I get. Ma'am, I got 11.
All right. Varun, you got 13?
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
I 14. Ma'am, I 14.
I got 11.
Krishna,
Ma'am, I got 14.
Krishna, what about you?
Ma'am, I got 11. I got
Okay.
13.
Iram, what about you? Iram got 14. No, 15. Okay, you got 14. And who is left? Lakshita,
Yes, ma'am, I got 13.
13. So today Iram is the winner.
Ma'am, I got 14.
Iram got 15.
Ma'am, he is saying, ma'am, I got 14 out of 15.
Yes,
How
ma'am.
many? There were 16 words, no?
Ma'am, there are 15 words.
15 words.
Ma'am, so Iram and I on the same position.
Okay,
Ma'am, I
very
got
nice.
15 marks.
Very nice, very nice. Good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now, children, we are done with it.
बेटा बंदा तुम्हें काट
Next, now we are left with how many minutes? 15 minutes? 14 minutes.
14. Ma'am,
So
so
what to
now
do?
what we will do in these 14?
Shall we start the next chapter?
No, ma'am.
No?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
what
ma'am.
activity
we will do? No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let me ask you general questions today. I'm going to ask you general questions, okay?
Ma'am, I cannot hear you.
Who is not liking it? Who is reacting like arey yaar? Huh?
Shuman is saying I cannot hear you. Ma'am, now I can hear you. Ma'am, please ask general questions.
Wait, beta, let me find some good ones.
Ma'am,
Yes.
no, ma'am. Ma'am, in the class there are only 8 students.
Yes, there are only 8 students. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So let's.
No, ma'am.
What?
Ma'am, if I only in the class, then the class will look like.
It will look like what? It will look nothing. It won't look a class. It will look like a personal meeting.
Ma'am, and then also you will teach us.
Okay. I will see. Yes, in my French class, I do that with 1 or 2 students. I have to teach them. I have taught 1 student in class 8th in French. Okay, the first question. Open your minds, all of you, and your cameras also. Close your
Okay, ma'am.
books. It is not from the book. What has a face, 2 hands, but no arms or legs? What is that thing that has a face and it has
Ma'am, T-shirt.
it has 2 or 3 hands but no arms or legs?
You're asking riddles.
Yes, riddles.
Ma'am, fan.
It,
Ma'am, blackboard. Ma'am, blackboard.
ma'am, it has
Face.
wings.
It has
It is fixed.
fixed. Okay,
But
it is okay, let me tell you the answer. It is clock. It has a face. Clock has a face. And
Yes,
it has 2 or 3 hands but no legs and arms. All right.
Yes.
The next question.
Ma'am, are you searching from Google?
Yes.
Ma'am, I am also.
Ma'am, so can be the winner.
Yes, I am joking. Ma'am, I am joking.
Okay. What is that thing that has a neck but no head?
Neck. What is
T-shirt.
Yes.
T-shirt.
T-shirt can be the correct answer. But Anshuman, you also said something.
Ma'am, shirt.
Ma'am,
Who said bottle? Bottle is also a correct answer.
I have not said anything.
What? Okay. Which letter of the English alphabet has most water? Which alphabet?
C. Ma'am, C.
Oh, very nice. C.
See?
See? Which alphabet has water in it? C. What is the C? Ocean, seas, rivers. Yes. Good one. Okay. What is that thing that has to be broken to use it? First, we have to break that thing
Ma'am,
to
rock.
use it.
Ma'am,
Don't you open locks? You break them, huh?
ma'am, Bisleri bottle.
You break it, you
Ma'am,
open it.
bottle.
No.
Ma'am, Ma'am,
Yes. Varun, that's correct. What did Varun say?
Ma'am, egg.
Egg. Egg has to be broken. Then, okay. What begins with T? What ends with T? And it has T in it.
Ma'am, T-shirt. Ma'am, tiger.
What begins with T? What ends in T and has got T inside it?
Ma'am, I know.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Tree. Ma'am, tree.
Tree. Beta tree. How does it end? How does it end in T? Something that begins with T, something that ends with T. Can I tell?
No, ma'am.
teapot. A teapot.
Utsav and Varun are disqualified. Their cameras are off. That means they are using Google.
Ma'am, see.
Then why are your cameras off? You have to be right in front of me like others. Iram Naz, where are you?
Ma'am, T-shirt.
The answer is teapot. Teapot, and it has got T inside it.
Oh.
Okay. Then, which month has got 28 days?
February.
All the months. Wrong answer. All the months have 28 days.
Ma'am, this is question.
February.
I asked which month has got 28 days. So all the months have got 28 days. Yes.
Ma'am, but why? Yes, ma'am.
There are 28 days, and then apart from those 28 days, 3-4 days more are there. 2-3 days more are there.
Ma'am, Anshuman is sleeping.
Yes, ma'am.
How many letters are there in the alphabet?
Ma'am, 26.
Ma'am, 8.
26.
Ma'am, 26.
26.
Ma'am, 8.
Very nice.
Ma'am,
Rachit, correct.
Ma'am, how because alphabet has only 8 letters.
I did not ask how many letters are there in English alphabets. I asked how many letters are there in alphabet. Now count A, L, P, H, A, B, E, T. 8.
Ma'am, 8.
Okay.
Ma'am, what?
Beta, I am looking for some good ones.
Ma'am, so difficult. Ma'am, difficult one.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What kind of tree can you carry in your hand?
Dog tree.
Yes, Varun?
Ma'am, very difficult one.
40.
What kind of tree do you carry in your hand?
Ma'am, small plants.
Palm tree. Palm tree.
Palm tree?
Palm, what is this? Isn't it a palm? P-A-L-M, palm.
Yes.
And it is also a tree.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Three minutes.
Can I ask one one riddle?
Friday.
Ma'am, can I ask one riddle?
Can I ask one riddle?
Ma'am,
Okay.
very difficult.
Okay. One more.
Okay.
Where does Friday come before Thursday?
Ma'am, Saturday.
Arey? Where does
Ma'am,
Friday?
today.
Huh?
Ma'am, today. Ma'am, yesterday.
Why?
Ma'am, today.
No.
Ma'am,
Where
ma'am,
does
tomorrow?
Friday fall before Thursday?
Ma'am, Saka calendar, Gregorian calendar में where?
Yes. No.
Ma'am,
Friday is after Thursday only. But somewhere it comes before Thursday. Which is that place?
Ma'am, Gregorian calendar.
No.
Ma'am, Saka calendar.
No.
Calendar.
No.
Ma'am, Saka calendar.
Friday comes before Thursday in a dictionary. Yes. In dictionary, when you will find meanings, F will come before T.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, now can I ask one riddle?
Can I ask the riddle?
Okay.
Ma'am, the more there is, the less you see. What am I?
The more.
The more there is, the less you see. What am I?
Ma'am, shadow.
I don't know.
Ma'am,
Shadow.
darkness.
Ma'am, what it is?
He
Ma'am,
says
what?
darkness.
His question is.
Okay, I have one very easy question.
Ma'am, now can I?
Okay, Varun, ask.
Ma'am, please wait. Ma'am, after Varun, can I? There is a bus. Suppose you are driving it. It stops at Bareilly. In the bus, there are 20 passengers. It stops at Bareilly. 10 passengers are down, and